Motivation is the elusive yet crucial power that propels us to accomplish our objectives and follow our aspirations. The secret component distinguishes those who thrive from those who barely scrape by. However, it can take a lot of work to find. So, what exactly is motivation and how can we increase our levels? Prepare for a wild ride into the motivational world as everyone buckles up. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner toward personal growth and success. So how do we keep ourselves motivated when all we want to do is press snooze and return to La La Land? Some people are highly motivated by external factors, such as affirmation from others or the prospect of a reward. Some people are more internally motivated, finding satisfaction in pursuing their unique values and goals. In this video, we will discuss the second part of how to find motivation when you don't have it. Without further ado, let's get into it. The well-known "just do it" philosophy is another kind of motivation. You're familiar with it. The Nike campaign tagline has been ingrained in our minds for years. The simplest method to get inspiration is to do the task you've been putting off. Whether starting a big business project or going for a run, taking the first step is all it takes to get things moving. But how do we find the motivation when we don't have it? Number 5. Focus on the positive side. Success in any endeavor requires a certain level of motivation. With it, we can achieve our objectives and overcome challenges. However, reason can occasionally be elusive, mainly when dealing with challenging obstacles or setbacks. It may be simple to become obsessed with the bad parts of our circumstances under these conditions, which can result in emotions of helplessness and demotivation. Therefore, keeping your attention on the bright side is crucial when seeking motivation. It encourages us to keep a development attitude, which is one reason why concentrating on the good is crucial for motivation. A growth mindset is the idea of developing and enhancing our skills through effort and commitment. We are more inclined to view difficulties and setbacks as chances for development and learning when concentrating on the good parts of our situation. This supports our ability to preserve a good attitude and continue our drive to achieve our objectives. We may keep our optimism and hope by concentrating on the good. It's simple to get disheartened and give up when we experience difficulties or setbacks. However, by focusing on the advantages of our situation, we can stay upbeat and confident in our capacity to overcome challenges. This may be a vital source of inspiration since it encourages us to stick with our plans even when things get challenging. Number 4. Create a clearer vision. Our ability to reach our objectives and succeed in life depends on motivation. A clear vision is essential for finding inspiration for personal or professional reasons. Our goals, objectives, and roadmap may all be developed with the support of a clear vision. Without a clear vision, we could feel lost and lose the desire to accomplish our objectives. A clear vision aids in the development of a roadmap. A roadmap outlines the measures we must take to accomplish our objectives. It keeps us on task and focused, which motivates us more. For instance, someone's goal in starting their own company may be to succeed as an entrepreneur, but with a clear roadmap, they might feel energized and confident about where to begin. Making a strategy incorporating market research, creating a business plan, and networking with potential customers may make the object seem more realistic and boost motivation. Number 3. Find inspiration. Our desire to attain our objectives and dreams is what motivates us. We endeavor to do better because of it every morning as we get out of bed. But occasionally, we might discover that we need more drive to go after our goals. Finding inspiration might be essential to rekindle our enthusiasm in such circumstances. The catalyst for motivation is inspiration. It serves as the engine that drives us toward our objectives. The lack of inspiration makes it difficult to stay motivated. When we aren't feeling inspired, we're often trapped, disoriented, and unsure of what to do. Finding inspiration, though, can assist us in getting through these challenges and rekindling our enthusiasm. We need inspiration because it provides us with a feeling of direction. When we discover it, we feel connected to do something, and it inspires us. It fits our values and beliefs, motivating us to pursue it. Inspiration enables us to pinpoint our goals and what we're passionate about. This sense of purpose can inspire us to work harder and pursue our dreams. Inspiration may assist us in overcoming challenges. We're more inclined to endure in the face of difficulties when we feel motivated. We are motivated by our enthusiasm and desire to succeed. Even when the going gets difficult, inspiration keeps us dedicated and focused. It enables us to persevere in the face of difficulty and carry on with our mission of achievement. Number 2. Break down larger tasks and goals. Finding motivation starts with breaking major chores or goals smaller. It might be challenging to begin when we set out to complete a significant assignment, since it can appear overwhelming. The work can be easier to accomplish and keep us motivated throughout the process if it is divided into smaller, more manageable pieces. Breaking down more prominent activities is essential for motivation because it enables us to concentrate on more manageable, smaller objectives. We might focus on finishing one stage at a time rather than considering the endeavor as a whole. This strategy makes us feel like we've progressed and achieved something, which might keep us motivated and interested in the work. The ability to foresee potential difficulties or hurdles we may face along the route is another reason why breaking down activities is crucial for motivation. We can identify possible obstacles and develop a strategy to get around them by breaking the work into smaller components. We will have a clear plan to overcome potential challenges, which can motivate us. Breaking down larger jobs also enables us to maintain our attention and organization. We're less prone to get sidetracked or overwhelmed when we have a clear strategy on how to proceed. This can support us in staying motivated and on track throughout the procedure. Number 1. Set clear goals. Everyone has daily duties and chores that must be completed with a particular level of motivation. However, motivation can occasionally be elusive, particularly when faced with challenging or complex tasks. Setting definite doable goals is one method to boost motivation. Clear objective provides us with a feeling of purpose and direction and keep us concentrated on the actions we must take to succeed. Setting specific objectives enable us to clarify our objectives. Our ability to focus our attention on accomplishing our goals is improved when we have a clear grasp of them. As a result, we're more likely to remain on course and keep our concentration than we are to spend time and money on activities that do not further our goals. Clear objectives offers us a sense of purpose and direction. Knowing what we are striving toward helps us to stay motivated and dedicated to our goals. This is because we can see the outcome of our efforts and appreciate the significance of our task. Having a sense of purpose may be very helpful when faced with demanding or challenging activities because it keeps us motivated and focused on the greater picture. Motivation is a fickle beast that can be hard to tame, but with creativity, determination, and a pair of really nice shoes, we can all find the drive to chase our dreams and achieve our goals. So go out there and get motivated, folks. The world is waiting for you. Remember, finding motivation is not a one-time fix. It's a continuous journey that requires patience and persistence. Keep pushing forward, and you'll soon achieve your goals and reach new heights. Thanks again for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content.